it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to next week's ad preview for Walgreens. So it is a slower week at both Walgreens and CVS, but of course it is Christmas next week, so deals are going to be a little bit slower. We are not supposed to get any inserts as well, so no need to buy a newspaper for coupons. I will let you guys know what new printables we have. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you guys won't miss out on any upcoming deals. So a few tips and tricks for you guys. Coupons.com, the Nivea lotion coupon did reset. So last time it was only up for a few hours, so I highly recommend stop what you're doing, go to coupons.com and print out that Nivea lotion coupon. I believe it allows you to print it twice, so I would definitely make sure I take advantage of that. So let's dive into this week's deals. So on your accounts, I did post on my Instagram and my Facebook, there is booster coupons, digital coupons that you can clip to your account. One is get 10,000 points when you spend 30 or more in store. The other booster coupon is get 4,000 points back when you spend 20. So they're both one-time use coupons. A few tips on this. The first transaction you do, the smaller amount is going to come off. So even if you spend $30, the 4,000 point booster is going to be the one that comes off first. So a couple things you can do. A, do 2 transactions. Make sure the first transaction you get like $20 exactly or a little bit over. That way the first coupon will come off. And then the second transaction, make sure it's $30 or more, and then you'll get those 10,000 points back. The other thing you can do if you only plan on doing one transaction, again, it is a pretty slow week, is you cannot clip the 4,000 point bonus and just click to clip the coupon of the 10,000 point bonus when you spend 30. So just a few tips on that, whichever you guys would like to utilize. If you do clip both, the smaller coupon always comes off first at Walgreens. So I will give you guys the top 5 deals or top 6 deals, whatever I find for you guys. I will get those posted tomorrow. There are some good paper product deals and still a couple good deals where you can use these. This current week, I did spend $50 in points, so this will be a great way if you guys are following along with my channel and doing the same deals that I'm doing. This will be a great way to replenish those points. The current week, we did get quite a few register rewards, so we're going to be using those next week to bring down our out-of-pocket cost, so that way we're not paying a lot out of pocket, but we're getting the points back. So let's go ahead and get into this ad preview for next week. So we have gifts of the week, 50% off. Remote control toy cars. Typically they were $19.99. They're only $9.99. So I thought that was a cute gift. I had a little remote control blue buggy when I was a kid, and I absolutely loved that little thing. So I'd recommend getting those for your kids. $9.99. They have some guitars, kids' toys. Buy one, get one half off. For some other gifts, these little slippers here are pretty cute. I'm not sure what this is in the middle. And the little s'mores kit is cute. $10 off designer fragrances again. This number 7 set is on sale again next week for only $34. It's probably the last week they're going to have it. And it does say here it's only December 22nd to the 25th. So after Christmas, it is no longer going to be available. If you plan on, of course, doing any kind of shopping, make sure you're checking your hours. A lot of stores are going to be closing a little early on the 24th, and they're going to be closed on the 25th. So just make sure you guys check that. DiGiorno. There's going to be a really good deal at CVS for DiGiorno, so I would recommend doing it there. But at Walgreens here, it is buy one, get one free. Moving on, the paper products deals of the week. I will be taking advantage of that. I almost ran out of paper towels. We use so many paper towels in our house for cleaning and keeping up after the dogs. So it's buy one, get one half off. If you go to scottbrand.com, you can print off 75-cent coupons for the paper towels. Sometimes there's coupons for the toilet paper as well. It's usually 50 cents. So I'm going to be getting 2 of the paper towels. They are $5, so the second one would be $2.50. Use 2 of those 75-cent coupons. That'll take off another $1.50. So it makes it a pretty good deal for some paper products. Crest 3D White, better deal is this week at Walgreens using that 5 off 3 digital coupon. If you don't do it this week and you want to use it next week, it's going to be on sale $2.99. Buy 3, get a $3 register reward. So when you buy 3, it's going to be $8.99 using the 5 off 3 coupon. You're going to pay $4.99. No, that's not true. Hold on. 9 minus 5, $3.99. Get back a $3 register reward. Final cost is 97 cents for 3, or about 32 cents each. So it's still not a bad deal, but we're so used to getting toothpaste and toothbrushes and mouthwash for free. If you don't need it, I would do it this current week, and I would skip it next week. Buy one, get one free on Complete Home or Patriot candles. I did the deal a couple weeks ago when it was buy one, get 2 free. The only scent that I thought was actually true to what it says it is, and an actually really good scent, was the apple and apple cinnamon. There was one, it was like a paradise one. That one wasn't bad either. The rest, the scent wasn't that strong in my opinion, but it is a cheaper candle and it is buy one, get one free. It's a cute little stocking stuffer if you guys need any last minute gifts. 3 for $7.99, 7-Up, A&W, Canada Dry, or Sunkissed. Not a bad deal. If you are doing that deal, you do have to buy 3 to get the $7.99 price. If you only buy 1 or you buy 2, they'll be $5.99 each. So if you're going to take advantage of that deal, make sure you buy 3. And moving on, Bud Light, Coors Light, Miller Lite, $12.99, $5 mail-in rebate. Just a tip on this mail-in rebate, it's supposed to print on the bottom of your receipt. In the past, they had a deal on White Claw. It was $14.99, get a $12 mail-in rebate. The mail-in rebate didn't print, so they just gave me either $12 in points, or they actually refunded me $12 and gave me $12 cash back off of it, so I only wound up spending $3 out of pocket. So just make sure you're watching your receipt if you are buying that beer deal right here. Make sure you're watching your receipt if that mail-in rebate does print. If not, just let the manager know and they'll make it right for you. Some cute little candy deals, 39-cent Russell Stovers, super cute stocking stuffers, Lindor, I can't even say that, chocolates, and the Ghirardelli chocolates, 2 for $7, Ferrero Rocher. Milk, this is a good deal. There is an Ibotta rebate. I drink the Fairlife milk. I love milk. I grew up drinking it for dinner every night. They are pretty expensive, so they're $3.99 each. The good thing I like about this milk is that it lasts a lot longer than the standard milk or the Great Value milk or anything like that. This lasts like a month or 2. It lasts a lot longer. So these are 2 for $7. There is a $1 rebate on the regular milk. I don't know if it'll work on the Fairlife. It says select varieties. It doesn't say it excludes it, but make sure you scan it on your Ibotta app. If it does work and you want to get one of each, that would final cost be 2 for $5, or only $2.50 each. So definitely a good deal there if you guys need some milk. Some last minute drink specials. I know we're all going to be having some friends and family over for the holidays. 3 for $3, Dr. Pepper and Pepsi. That's a good deal. Pepsi is usually pretty expensive and more expensive than Coke products. So regularly they're $2.19 each. So they're going to be 2 for $3. Coke is 3 for $3. Cute little cans, and the smaller Pepsi cans are going to be 2 for $5. Arizona tea, not the best deal, but if you need any items to put in your transaction so you can use a register reward, that's not bad. It's only 69 cents. 2 for $8, Oscar Mayer. Again, it's a really slow week. There are not that many good deals going on. 3 for $8 on meal favorites, just different little appetizers and stuff. That might be cute when you're having some friends and family over to pop in some chicken wings and some mozzarella sticks, things like that for everyone to kind of munch on before dinner. Buy one, get one free on Equal Sweetener. Dunkin' Donuts, $5.99, not the best deal. CVS is better because we usually get those either $2 off Dunkin' Donut coffee CRT or 2 off 8 coffee CRT that you could buy 2. Pair that deal in and it would make it cheaper than just buying it at Walgreens. Persil, $4.99. There is a $2 digital coupon, makes it just $2.99. Not a horrible deal. I checked Ibotta. We still don't have any rebates on Persil. We haven't had some in a while, unfortunately. Snuggle and All, buy one, get one free. There is a rebate on the All. It's on the larger bottle. So if you're going to be getting that, not a horrible deal. Just check your Ibotta app. Tide Pods, $4.99. I would stay away from this. There is a $1 off coupon on pgeveryday.com, but the best deal is at Walmart. I posted it on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. They are $4.94. Using that $1 off coupon from pgeveryday.com, you're going to pay $3.94 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Final cost is just 94 cents for the Tide Pods, so really good deal there. These Yankee Candle holidays are up to $19.99. They're $19.99 at Walmart. They were $14.99 at Walgreens. They may be $14.99 this current week, so if you guys are wanting to purchase that, I would say purchase it this week. It's going to be the last good week. Then again, any leftover Christmas stuff, they are going to be greatly discounting it, 50% off, 70% off, and then 90% off. So be ready for that. We're going to get some really nice stuff and kind of start stocking up for next year. Household supplies, nice paper plates. They are super cheap and flimsy. Just keep that in mind. But they're only 99 cents. And the nice aluminum foil, 99 cents. There is a limit of 4. So what you would do is you would have to give the cashier this little coupon here from the weekly ad. You can get a weekly ad in the newspaper, or you can get a weekly ad at the front of the store. So they would have to scan it for it to be the 99-cent price. Batteries, more toys, little Elsa doll from Frozen, $19.99. And they are buy 2, get 1 free. They were buy 2, get 2 free around Black Friday. But if you do need any last minute stocking stuffers, still not a horrible deal. Gift wrapping, bows, bags from 29 cents. I meant to check this week. I'm probably going to go back to Walgreens because I do need to get a second color or style of the wrapping paper for Santa's gifts because it's kind of fishy if all the gifts are under the same wrapping paper. It doesn't really make sense. So I need to make sure I get that for the gifts that Santa is going to bring. What else? Some makeup deals, 2 for $10 Neutrogena facial wipes. Buy one, get one half off. Revlon or Almay. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward. If any of you guys are getting that 10 off 2 Catalina that's been printing, I've gotten it twice now. I also got a 5 off 2 Catalina. So it would be a good time to use that because that way you guys can get this. Get the $2 off register reward. That'll bring down your total quite a bit. And you can use that for that point bonus booster coupons that we have on our accounts. Secret, Outlast, and Old Spice. Buy one, get one half off. Buy 4, get 4,000 points. Same deal is going on this week. We do have that $6 off 4 digital coupon. If you guys haven't clipped it or used it, make sure you do that. If you haven't used it, just check the expiration date. Make sure it'll still work for next week, and then you can do that deal next week. Down below, I will post my Walgreens ad or my Walgreens haul for this week. I did do that deal. We have some Ibotta rebates and everything back as well, so it wound up being a really, really good deal. And these deodorants are pretty expensive. They're about $7 each at Walgreens, so they're pretty pricey. Good deal here on Pampers, 2 for $18. There's a $3 off 2 digital coupon, makes them 2 for $15. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward, makes them 2 for $11 or $5.50 each. So not a horrible deal. It's usually a little bit better when CVS has it because they'll usually combine it with the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck back. So that usually winds up making it cheaper overall. Garnier, 2 for $7. There's a 3 off 2 coupon. I would definitely stay away from that. You're paying $2 each. We usually get them for either free or up to $1 each. So I definitely would stay away from that deal. Playtex Sport, Stay Free pads, buy one, get one half off, 3 off 2 digital coupon. Emergency, $9.99. Really slim pickings. And this is the last page here. So buy one, get one half off. It says feel better faster. So that is it for the ad for next week. Again, not that many deals going on. There are a few. I mean, Olay, this is a pretty good deal if we have a couple of those register rewards, so we can turn those into points. Points don't expire, register rewards do. So if you got 4 of these, that is $22. You could use that get 4,000 points back when you spend $20 digital bonus coupon. So you would use, I don't know if there's any digital coupons. Sometimes there's only like maybe $1 off one. So I'll have to check and keep you guys updated if there are any digital coupons that are going to be coming up. They'll usually show in the accounts today or tomorrow under sneak peek. So I'll double check on that for you guys. So with this, it would be $22. We have quite a few register rewards from this week currently, and the previous week I have $14 myself, and I didn't do the Crest deal yet. I'm going to go back and do that so I can get another $5 register reward. That would be $19 off. You'd pay $3 plus tax out of pocket if you're just doing this Olay deal. Olay does count towards beauty, so $22 would go towards beauty. So you'd pay $3 out of pocket, get back 5,000 points for this, plus 4,000 points for that bonus booster coupon. So you would get 9,000 points back, and you only spent $3 out of pocket when using all those register rewards. So that's just an idea of a deal that you guys could do. So there are a couple good deals. This Secret Outlast, if you haven't used that coupon, would be another good deal. I will post the top 5 must-do deals for Walgreens next week, and they will be utilizing those 2 coupons for you guys. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.